Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question which states that convert the delta network below to an equivalent star network. So here is the delta network with resistances 10 ohms, 25 ohms and 15 ohms. Now the first step we are going to do when converting this delta to star connection is we are going to draw the star connection inside the delta connection like this. So now this one normally we call it RB since it's connected to the terminal B, but since there's already RB, RA and RC, we just call this one R1, this one R2 and this one R3. Now what we are expected to do is to find R1, R2 and R3, which is the star connected resistance. Solution. Now from the formulas and from the diagrams of converting delta to star connection, you remember that to R1 now will be a product of this and this divided by the sum of all this resistance. So the formula will be R1 equals RB RC over RA plus RB plus RC. This is the formula for R1. Now what is RB? RB is 10 times what's RC? RC is 25. 25 over, then RA is what? RA is 15 plus 10 plus 25. Ten times 25 over 15 plus 10 plus 25 is 5. 5. So this is 5 ohms. So R1 now is 5 ohms. Then R2 now. R2 is what? R2 will be RCRA over the sum. RC over RA plus RB plus RC. You see, in this one, I didn't have to cram any formula to do it because I know the logic, how it's gotten. That's how I'm using to get these formulas from the diagram. So it's very important to know how to get the formulas from the diagram because they can change. Normally, in the one we did in one of my previous videos, here you cannot put R1 here because normally we put the terminal was XYZ, so we put RX, RY, RZ. So if you are the terminal here is XYZ before, so we put X, RX, RY, and RZ. So if you don't know how to get it from the diagram, you will be confused at this point. So it's very important to know how to get the formulas from the diagram when converting star to delta and vice versa. So what's RA? RARC. RA is 15, RC is 25. 15 times 25 over 15 plus 10 plus 25. 15 times 25 15 plus 10 plus 25. So it's 7.5. 7.5 ohms. So R2 is 7.5 ohms. Then R3 now. R3 is what? Let me see where you know R3. Let me give you 2 seconds to guess what R3 will be. So if your answer was R3 equals RB times RA divided by the sum, you are correct. And if it's not, that means you have to restart this video to know how it is. So it's RBRA. So R3 will be what? RBRA or RARB anyway. For the sum. So RARB is what? 15 times 10. 15 plus 10 plus 25. So 3 ohms. So the final answer is 3 ohms. Here will be 3 ohms. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.